We are in this special season now, that we drink too much, too many parties, and especially after being in the lockdown, we want to go all the time to see friends, restaurants, food, and of course, alcohol. What a wonderful thing. In moderation. In moderation. But what happens is sometimes we are not moderate. Sometimes we drink too much. And it's okay. We have a fabulous tip next day when you feel like, oh my gosh, this headache, I'm dehydrated. And you start breathing. You just start breathing. Slowly. You breathe. You can do it breathing in from your nose and breathing out from your mouth. Why? Because you will get a lot of oxygen and all of the toxins go away from your mouth. You can do it as well, everything from your nose, but I think it's better from when you really have this bad hangover and you spend a few seconds, forget Panadol, forget the stories. Just do it. And you will see how out of the blue you feel full of oxygen. And therefore, you will feel the headache, the hangover is over.